Hey, I'm here. I'm in the springest yard of all the yards of spring. Ain't that convenient? Yee. Oh yeah, welcome back to Blast List, by the way. Yay. Okay. Oh fuck, no. Gimme shit. Oh please, I can't jump here. Ah! I think that's the first time I've ever gotten all rings there. Ah, no! Checkpoint. Okay. Thanks, Checkpoint, for the generous donation. My dog is like, yes, give me belly rub. Nah, that's not what I want. Get me on there. Oh no. Give me up there. Give me up there. Oh jeez. Yay! I'm up here. And there goes my blast processing. Oh well, happens to the best of us. Oh Jesus. Ah, Jesus! I didn't realize it was this part until it was already too late. Oh well. Woo! Give me the rungs. Yeah. I am not going down to Commodore 64. No thanks. Sick. And we're just gonna... right to the end. Heck yeah. I saved Act 1. I did. I did! With very minimal blast process. Alright, well, I thought that was going to be a little different in the... Yeah! I'm just going to jump on this one. It'll be... Fuck! Ah, Jesus. No. No. I make bad choices. Rings! Oh my god, that's how you skip that? Fuck! Damn! It's going good, too. I've never done that before. What are they called? The bumpers. Fuck, man. I didn't get a single ring that whole time. Sprint zone. You know, that really famous Sonic stage, Sprint Zone. I missed again, but this time I actually got rings, because I ain't stupid. At least as stupid. And we're going! Alright, cool. Skiddy-dee-dee! Yeah. Okay! Alrighty then, where I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna accept the fact that I miraculously did that and did not lose anything. I just need a checkpoint now. Yeah. No, oh, please, oh my, no. I didn't want Commodore 64. I haven't even hit a checkpoint yet. Oh my, you're joking. Hey, there we go. No, I want to get... Motherfucker, let me up there! Ah, you know what? It worked out. No it didn't. Oh my god. Wait, why is that blocked off? Why am I not able to go the easy way? That's all I wanted to do was go to quick and easy way, cause I'm sunk. I gotta go to quick and easy way. Fuck, man. Shit. Oh no. Ah! But please. Rings? Thank you. Oh! Oh no! Oh, that's bad! Why am I not able to get on the platform? Get me up there. Oh my Jesus. And seeing as I just got hit there, I don't think there's anything worse than this. Jesus Christ, this is bad. It isn't unplayable. It's just god-awful. Alright, cool. I made it to Commodore 64 before the boss. I'm glad. Okay. Alright, now I gotta remember that there's a hole there. Because with all these flickering so much, can't really tell. Shit. Yes! I got it! Oh, I think that's the best victory I've ever gotten. Alrighty, on to Labyrinth Zone. That was great. Act has been restored. Pardon me also. If the microphone even picked up. I don't know. Probably not. Labyrinth. Labyrinth Zone. I'm sorry, did the water just beep when I went... It did. No. I love how it just beeps. No. That's really bad. This is really bad. Da-da-da-da-pup. Hey, there we go. I love this frickin' stage and I do not know why. It just could be the fact that I'm a sucker for water levels. Although that is weird, I think that water levels add some challenge to a boring game. Yeah, I just said it. I think that Sonic 1 is kinda boring when you play it. Controversial statement right there. Sonic 1 boring? No, that's not legal. I thought I was about to miss that. I would have been so mad. Cool, I got shortcut to just finish the level in like 2 seconds, because who gives a shit about beating the level in record time when you could just want to murder the hell out of these drill enemies because they're the fucking worst and I hate them. Did I just say that I like Labyrinth Zone? I take it back. It's the worst. I fucking hate it. I want them all to go die in a fire. Alright, well. On for the stage where I can't skip, or I guess on the act where I can't skip anything. God, I love all just the different ways you can say labyrinth without saying labyrinth. It sounds like Sonic screaming when he does that, which, to be honest, I wouldn't blame him. Oh, whoa. Whoa there, Buster. No murder for you. Alright, cool. Give me that air. Yeah, miraculously didn't die yet. What? I gotta get air. And miss all the rings while I'm at it, because you know what, why not? Give me all them rings. Give me all the rings. There's a shield over here too, and I want that. That's not a shield. Was it over here? Oh, it was right there, okay. Give me the rest of those as, you know. 3 of them were. What is it with me and close? Oh, fuck. You know what? That's cool. I was supposed to have a free invincibility, but this is fine. No, it's not. I take it back. It's not fine. Fuck, no. This bad. This bad. I'm bad. Oh my god, I'm not gonna make this. Oh god. Okay, air again? Air. Thank you. There's no rings in here. That is a problem. Okay. Shit. Look at that, I know the strats. Ah! Okay, cool. Rings! Life, sustenance. A way to not die a horrible, painful death. Is this it? Is this the end? It is! Yay! Labyrinth. Ah. I need those. And this is where I typically game over all the time. Alright, cool. Got the Genesis look for the one time this act, because I'm not good at this version. Give me this sauce! Link! Get The Pepto-Bismol. God, the spin dash really helps, like, a lot. Okay, not as much as I thought it was going to, but you know what? It's the thought that counts. Ah, I still got a ring. So, suck on that, sunk. Gimme. Thank you. Gotta stand alive. Of course, it's gotta be the really fast one right there. Gimme. And just skip all of that. Oh no. And there goes my blast processing. Ugh. I don't like just the black. Oh no. Okay, this is a problem. Oh, it was right there. Are you serious? It was right fucking here. No, I don't need a platform. I like the Labyrinth theme like this. Just a soft little. Just a soft little. Sonic the Hedgehog. Checkpoint, checkpoint. That's gonna be so fucking useful. I don't know what to add here. Okay. I do like this level, but its boss is bullshit. It's not cause Eggman's hard, it's cause everything around him is. Ah, geez, that didn't sound right, but you know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna keep singing even though the melody is gone. Cause that's how I'm like. And then I immediately stopped singing because I ran out of lyrics. I do like the theme like this. It's just a nice little... Okay. As well, like the 5th time I've just narrowly escaped death. Nice, okay. Hey, oh no. Go back, go back. I'm glad that's... Hold up. Awesome. Just skip all that. This is the bullshit part. It's not... Okay, not this part in particular, just what's coming up is bullshit. And I don't like it. Whoa! Excuse me? Teleport in water? What up, robot? Oh, okay. That's gonna make things a little easier. Yeah. Shit. That's gonna make things a little harder. Alright, water. There it is. No, my one ring. Okay, you know what? That's cool. Fuck! No! That's the end right there! No, it's gonna be the worst if I get sent all the way down to fucking Game Boy level. Bad hit. That's a bad hit. Shit. Oh no. Okay, alright, we're good for right now. We're good. I have no rings. Why doesn't this boss give you ring? Oh my god. Please. Alright, we're good. I did it. Alright, cool. Alright, that's it for this one. I did it! I don't like this one. I don't like Labyrinth. I like Labyrinth. I don't like the boss. Alright, well, have a good